today we're just going to do a warm-up climb up the Schwarzhorn, which is over the other side of the valley, and have a little look from there. There's our Sunday stroll warm-up walk. That's the Schwarzhorn up there. It's got a light sprinkling of snow on it. A few pockets of old snow on the way. We're hoping to go up the left and up the ridge, or the right and up the ridge. We're not sure yet. Depends what it looks like. But a little bit of wispy snow. Cloud everywhere else. The Schwarzhorn is just under 3,000 metres, so it's a good practice for tomorrow, because tomorrow we're going to a hut which is just over 3,000 metres. Me and Nigel reached just around here a couple of years ago, went up there and went back. Apologies to any ladies watching, but we have to get the shorts out because it's getting rather nice and warm and sunny. Oh, Nigel nearly went. Not far to go if you do go. We decided to take the left-hand ridge instead of the right-hand ridge where some of the others were going, because it looked like there's a bit of a scramble, which is always best in the uphill direction. And the clouds just clearing off it again. I'll show you. Looks like we've got some ladders, so that'd be good. There's the ridge. I thought we'd be going up here somewhere, but they look like ladders. So that's how we get along that ridge, and follow it along there and up to the summit, which is just behind the cloud there somewhere. Looks interesting, doesn't it? Via Ferrata, just poking through. Ox. Schwarzhorn behind. Where's my finger? Can't see it. Schwarzhorn behind.
Coming in the top row.
Schwarzhorn looking absolutely fantastic. Wetterhorn. And our little Schwarzhorn. With we're going up here and then up there on the ladders. God, that wasn't good. I pulled up here and felt a bit dizzy. I don't know whether that was my cold or the height. We're not that high. There's the route ahead there. Just going to pop and see what's over this little ledge. It's another route up. Just above that cloud. So that must be that sort of cloud there. We're above that. We're above all the cloud. It's sitting below, so it looks like we'll have a clear view from now. Top's up there behind there. I'll hear you sing your song, Nigel, at some point. Is it? I love to go wandering along a mountain ridge.
I can't remember the words now, so
We decided we're going to go down, probably down this side, because it looks more fun.
a slap head on his back.
First ladder there. If you like ladders, they're ladders for you. If you don't like ladders, they're definitely not the ladders for you. Because it'll be a bit of an uncomfortable tumble if you come off them. I think we'll have to put the camera away. Nice, that's pretty dodgy without the clips on, isn't it? I wish we'd known about this. We could have brought the zipper. Clipped in. Gotcha.
Sorry, Mum.
There's 3 here. I don't like the look of that. Ooh.
Do you want me to come by?
No, so I'll just do a quick filmage. Now that was a lot harder without the Via Ferrata gear to clip onto it. So it was a bit of a shame because that would have been much more enjoyable. Because ladders are nice, but well done, Nigel. Coming out of the cloud. Still a little light-headed, but not far now, lads. Only about 10 minutes to summit. One of them birdies. You'll have to go wandering, Nigel. Any picnic tables up here? Don't seem to be any logbook here. It's a shame, because we normally get to write something like "we're here" or "we have been here" or something.
I was here.
We're going to sit here and have lunch and go down a different way. Lovely.
Hat's not quite right.
That's better, isn't it? Looks a bit silly.
Yeah.
I just got caught for taking a picture of another couple. There they are. The route up. Oh no, cloudage. I mean, up there, and ladders up there, and then up to the top. Someone's having a little problem here, the poor little chap. He's got a problem. A little problem, have you? Don't look a problem to me, man. Come on, Mark, toes up. He's just about. Funny. Show on here, I'm going to try and zoom in. Nigel's got a little bit of burnage on his shoulders.